Hej, hej. Oi, oi, oi. Dyna fydd intro newydd fi. Oi, oi, oi. Let's have a good one. Gan e... Ffoc dwi'n y microphone. Helo pob, a phob peth. Os yw'n action gotcha fi, dwi'n meddwl. Action gotcha fi. Haid i streamios chydig o lew. Milwch chwarae bach o... Baltimore, ydych chi iawn? Dwi'n chydig bach o Steddfod Blues. A nes i ffeindio gem yma mewn sale heddiw. Mae'n dach yn very much a nice time. Nice time. So... Dwi'n gwybod byd amdano fo. Dwi'n meddwl na gem dio. Yn meddwl na gem dio. Mae'n edrych yn artsy a chill as fuck, ddo. A hynna dwi eisiau heddiw. Ia, hynna. Hynna i gyd. Gweithio ti'n cadw'n iawn Baltimore Mouse. Sit down. Relaxa. Hanna, that's how. O, still to it. The final draft of the painting is going to submit New York exhibit. Okay, so dwi'n cymryd dwi'n rhyw fath o artist. Fingers crossed. Okay. Dwi'n litri nid. Okay. Dwi'n melyn. Dwi'n dos the lanes? Na, do. Okay, mi'n rhywbeth. Yes! Art. Lle celf, here I come. Yeah. That's it. Sbeth fi'n neud art yma. That. Look at that. Okay. Oh, Ellen the fanna. Doing a Litton game paint by numbers. Oh, hwn edrych yn cool though. No. Whoa, we didn't. Okay. To do. Music. Breakfast. Resume. Coffee. Paint. Yeah. An old paintbrush. I'm sure iawn. Okay, dwi'n cael... Nes i barpasol ddim darllen lot am y gem. Nes i'n trailer sydyn. Tha ti'n artist. Ne, dyn ni beth dwi'n gwybod. Yn ar y stori. Mae'n neis. Okay. I thought un o'r ffilm Studio Ghibli. Pa'n ydy dda? Diploma ni. College diploma? Gweithio efo'r sain yn iawn. So lle rwy'n jyst dweud os ydy'ch sain yn iawn. Okay, college diploma. On a seat. Quality coffee. I would love to enjoy a nice afternoon. Okay. A i fi sy'n neud y lluniau yma? Oh. Dwi'n massive fan o'r look yn yma, de. Hey. Okay. Wat bach neis e, Dion? Okay. Bydd na sy'n yn hofus. The sketches I've done since I was a girl illustrated with Janet wife. Dirty Man. Dynamite that won awards. Okay. So when you read that. Oh no, is that in there?
Huh?
Yn peth hwnna yndi? Okay. Okay. Mum and dad did a divorce. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay, this is my expertise. Virtual coffee, let's go. Smell of coffee, my favourite. Oh. Yes. Ooh, yeah. So full. The toilet iddo. Okay, so dwi'n nôl i'r... Put a day, was it? Here, put on some music, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, computer. Application. I hope this letter finds you well. Ooh, graphic designer and illustrator. Art has been my passion all my life. Hope you can consider me as one of your contracted artists next year. Thank you. Deal? Good resume.
Okay.
Get to work. Oep, no, an artist hefyd. Oh. Good morning. How are you? Time. There's a really good painter. I'll do some sketches now. What do you need to sketch of? Yes, we mean the art. Yes, yeah. We mean the art. Ermia. Good art. The old painter lives across the street, expert in landscape oil painting. Painting constantly, always in lives all by himself. I wonder what stories he has to tell.
What?
Ooh, Kath, yes. Yes, that. We call it essence or Garth. Old man's old cat. That's in that. Oh, beth yna. Oh, dwi'n ei llun o llun. Let's go. That's some art yn gweithio. Dwi'n jealous o pobl sy'n gallu neud art. Rhywbeth dwi'n rioed yn gallu neud. One of the old man's paintings I've seen a similar one in my room. Oh, David. Look at animation yma dde. Oh.
Eh?
Oh, cap! Ah, sbia! Okay. What? Inspiration from some sunflowers. Note the sunflower from Jay. Who's Jay? Ooh, dim yn cofio bod i Jay. Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, okay, some of the puzzles. Pattern before, someone in the room. Order. Okay. Hwnna. Na i wedi gwna da. No, ffarma. Ta. Oeps, heb lekker. Dim yn cofio, beth pam dim yn cofio? Gweithio dwi'n yn cymryd sinister turn. O, mae gen i paent sgwyr rwan.
Oh, right.
So gwneud y bit yma wan. Bas. Doing some art. It's relaxing. Relaxing, yo. Squinting in front after the sunlight, he suddenly noticed the girl across the street. Oh, hen ddyn rwan. That's such in time, frozen in this moment. Now the card, Oh, act 2, okay. So fo nath y sunflower photos. Oh, gas, yeah. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Dal weithio. Okay.
Oh.
Wedi llosgi rwy'n dwi. Perfectly cooked eggs. I'm quite sure. Oh, application. Ond yna sait anghofus.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Gath o'n. Sut dwi'n gweld y gath yma?
all right.
That's right.
Yeah.
Doing myself a cup of tea. A cup of coffee. Well, culprit. Whoa! It's just about. Just about.
Oh.
Oeh, slim aan doen.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Oh, sketch time. Learn to sketch on your life. Good bag gonna fo. It's all on.
All right.
And that. Oh, go on the blind.
Huh? That
Open. Open sesame. Oh, down the back there. Yeah. Remember the cat? She gave birth to a kitten. Jay. The Jama. Red paint. Okay.
Yeah.
Die flats New York maar nice hyn.
Okay.
Red sky. I had walls on the other side of the alley and the two had lost cat notices. What was in the llun? He's about to put another notice up on the wall. Di mae hen ddyn. Di efo hwn. Dwi'n meddwl hen ddyn, dia. Cat owns on the ground, but the pet has not noticed its owner's worried face. Lost ants. Oh, need it. I need it. What's going on? Chapter 3. Bro. What tap? What's that? But then turn the tap on.
Oh.
Oh. Let's losgi hwn. Oh. No. Dwi'n mynd cael... Dwi'n dweud o'n i'n losgi fo. What's he squinting about? The above. Oh, this, that's it. Fine, you right. Graphic design and illustrator, art has been my passion all my life. Hope you can consider me as one of your contented artists next year. Thanks. Some coffee. 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 Ooh. First time screens has moved here. Ooh, don't even copy on then. You just didn't even copy your stuff. I hate that thing. Koch a melon. Okay. Koch a melon. Ooh, spam gonna have a thing. I think he is very sick. So then they got the llun o blaen. So, coch. Yes, fel to that. Oh. Go shop. Oh, 100.
All right.
That. Yes. Oh, ja, melon. Because it's an ancient painter stuff fixed as well. The etiquette in it.
All right.
Heil. Ben zijn maar heil. That. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, amber dinner, eh? Never had expected to meet you under the sign on that rainy day. We would chat until the sun comes out. Jane. Sign. Rainy day.
Oh.
Een klein moord, ja. Red and yellow. Huh?
Oh.
The red. Ooh, glass. Blue paint. It is a calm colour. It's melancholy at times. Yeah. Hat. Then we'll just go hat. Ah, okay. Who is she? What's happened between them? Be'n gwybod wan.
Okay.
Yeah, blue. Beth yn blue. O's na. Yeah, it's really pinto.
Oh.
Fucking cyson o. Ooh, still needs modifications. In the spatter of rain on the street creates a wordless song. Ooh. Vad du nu? Ooh, conversation. Ooh, spin. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Flogger. Så händer in i varje. Has to be. What will happen next? Chapter 4. Ooh. Hallo. No. Dit is wat ik doe tegen sketchen. What's happened? Goed, kunnen we dat gaan. Wat doe je mijn hulp hierbij? Oh my god, wouldn't it scary? Wouldn't it scary? Speer?
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Rijd daar, Roos. Dus rijdt ze maar else? Okay. Laatst kennen we. Okay. Mel in het kanaal dan.
Yeah.
Misschien hebben we daar echt in op dit.
Oops.
Een beetje in de rang. Pas. Gwyn ar ôl. Oh, be doing J? Backwards J. Something seems to be missing. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Oh, okay. So. Shit. Melon. With fyny there, down left.
Huh?
Up left, right, down left, right.
Oh.
Where? Shit. Where? Wyth. Okay. Fyny, lawr chwyth. Fyny, lawr chwyth. Un. Oh, okay. Okay. Fas yn. Lawr there, fyny chwyth. Lawr there.
That's it.
Be dwi'n addo chwech. Coch. Fydd yn coch. Up, right, lawr. Un chwech, un wyth. Okay. Un chwech, un.
Nice.
Yay! Actually, ddim y llun yn eisiau. Okay. Oh, Amber. Okay. Oh my god, dwi'n mynd wan. Hwn dwi'n mynd o game really... Oh my god. Sy'n neud?
That's not right.
Sy'n neud rhywbeth? Bydd yn ôl at hwnna. Obvio. 4 million. Och. What the hell's going on? Wat are doen? Och. Ah, zo weer heil million. Glad your cat's fine. Wasn't expecting her to jump so far. By the way, it was very nice meeting you, Amber. Blue circle. Gewoon dechrau scare him. Two, three. Oh, that. One, two. Good. Oh, million on that. I finished it. Customization from that place. Smiley face. Let's hear your thoughts. Shall we meet at my place? Cats. Oh. No. So. No. So that's how I met you in that rainy days. Wanted to be friends with someone who shared the same interest. Sketching sometimes. Okay. On. Oh, okay, so what? Oh. Okay. No. White paint. Green glitter. Win at the top. Willen cover. Escape room. Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh.
Go north. all. Got it scary. Okay, just een barrel and canal. Okay. Een barrel and a canal. Done. No? What? Niet doen. God. What the hell? Okay. Oh, no, man. Okay. Het is gewoon, nu het is gewoon scary. Oeh, act 5. Roep hem naar Magic Brain. What the hell? What the hell? Nu moet dus gehinderd, hè? Nu gaan we. Dat lluniau sgynnon ni. One 6 1 8. Oh yeah. Så var det hände. It's been in a sense. Oh. I'll sleep as we. That's a really nice spot. Ooh. Or to be an artist. Magic paint. This is my colour. Fence.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I must paint. I am an artist. Magic paint. Let's go. Magic paint. Spear? Magic. On and tip your balls, eh? Ooh. There we go. That's in skit, yeah. Ooh, got panhead. It's tight, look at that. My work is accepted. Congratulations. Ooh. Jack. Six. Oh, my shit, it's a fan under. Yeah. Ooh. Hey, kijk zo. Game back in the null. It's a bit, well, it's cool. We really do enjoy it. Doe een artist, doe een showdown. Doe wat amnesia. What? IVD erin de nas. Dwi'n siŵr am beth sy'n digwydd.
And I never thought I would forget you.
Goffan o fanna.
Of the yesterdays that got me fooled. Don't you know that? And I never thought of saying goodnight. Oh, this coffee failed to wake me up. I'll save for tomorrow. Wanna hold the sunlight, move so fast. The more I paint, the more they face are going to white. Days are getting grayed out, and I wanna wake up back in time.
Goffan o.
Cats nap, it's raining, but the sky's still blue. No one else knows why. Looking for the palettes in your eyes. The brushes need so bright. The curtains open wide.
So, o'n i'n mynd efo Jack. Oedd Jack farw?
The puzzles make
Cos oedd Jack oedd yr hen boi.
days gone by. I don't wanna lose it. What if I lost it? The lies is out of reach.
Ie, awran oedd o. Ond mae'n episodes eraill. Dwi wedi prynu'r episodes eraill.
Where the
So allan ni weld
so stop to flow.
mwy o...
When spraying the paint,
O, na, sbia.
planes get too late
O, na.
for the warning signs
Mae'r hen ddynas di fi, ie.
and count of three.
So fi di'r hen ddynas.
Make the wish with the colors you love the most.
Jack
Been marking the way
oedd yr hen ddyn.
to the place
Ond o'n i'n byw yr hen ddyn pan oedd farw.
to see.
Dwi'n... Bach yn confused. Ain't gonna lie. Google, is it? As you do. This is the woman in the old Jack's paintings, and since the paintings portray them as a young couple, this must mean that Jack is also that long lost love. Magic, yeah. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Ond ddo, mae gynnu fi... Fi fod efo DLC iddo fo. the DLC. Okay, so they're Perspective Jack. Come on. Okay. Just go down the grid. Okay. I go with the door though. I better go with the door though. Just the smell, the weeds field, and the days we sketched together. Doing some painting. That's nice. Between the lines. To win. I have to be more careful. Doing some painting. Oh, well, look at those shit. To Jack. Sent me a letter. He did in New York. Ah shit, she's not. Dear Jack, sorry for the late updates, but I'm finally all settled in New York. Been meaning to write to you since I arrived. Everything's new to me. The city is full of fancy buildings and interesting photos. Wish you were here. Giant exhibit opens next month, so wish me luck. P.S. Check out my photos. Cats in New York are really chubby. A reminder of Ginger and Biscuit. I miss them. How are you all doing? P.P.S. You said you had a hard time getting your paint. There's a tube of it in my paint box. You know the coordinates? Whatever. Looking forward to hearing from you, Amber. Yeah? Let's recover. Oh, no, recover 1, 6. Shit. 6. Yn y caffi, maen nhw'n cyfarfod. Now in this skin. Yay! Yellow's the colour of light and hope. Darf van hwnna'n. Painting wheat fields with my yellow paint. Could I have done it with other paint? Because I think about that. Right back. Yeah, let's go. Where do I start? Dear Amber. But you're doing well in New York. You look as energetic as usual. The cats and I miss you very much. We hope to see you soon. Het is gewoon bach man hynna bach mooi. To feel right, I'll come back to this later. Yeah. Hey, mae'n gynt iawn. Rili da, sti? Dwi'n siadad i Gwener, ddo. Dal bach yn fatigued, da. Na, joio. Don, yeah. Gynta sy'n steddfod, ers Covid. Oedd yn neud sgwp o bod ti'n mynd i god ys blynyddoedd. Don, yeah. Sydd oedd Disneyland. Chdi'n Disneyland sy'n dwytha da. Llun, Hugo allan o'r page. Star y reids i gyd. Eto. Full on and that's good. Glad you're doing well in New York. I hope to follow in your footsteps one day. I don't have a camera, but I drew cats for you. They're doing fine. What? Jack. Ja. Als je rijdt spaak, doe je mil. Doe je mil. Doe maar weinig rijtspit na. Just die Disneyland is dit als die Paris wit. Sorry, Paris. Is die Paris? Oh no. Gaan we erdoor? Ci fai armata. Bah. Accurate 10. Just Disney. In and out job. Okay. Ooh, Paris. Oh no. Yeah. Vibes again, man, wel, joh. Relaxing. Brown glass. Skinnerin glass. Sgynna fi'n brown. Glass. Red paint. Lle dwi'n cael red paint? Never give up on painting the finest scenery. Red paint, passion and action. Yeah, got my red paint. I'm with brownish with that. Finesse. More inspiration. Oh, mailman. That's our accommodation to Gallery Shotgun. It's time, Jack. Your professor. Yeah. Don't the tenants rent in the amount of €6 do immediately. I wish I was. Ooh, red notice. New York. Let me play. Dear Jack, how have you been? Took us the opportunity to hold my first solo exhibition. I'm thrilled, but also very nervous. Autumn New York is just gorgeous. The glamorous and bustling streets are now tingled with the golden yellow. Which, like yellow photos from years gone. But the seasons change, a new year will come, and memories will be made again. Stay warm while it's getting cold outside. My dear friend, here's a piece of autumn I kept for you. Ooh, I think I've got an idea. Where do I start? Yeah, Amber, I'm doing fine. The ginger's getting old and has less energy now. But I'm always here, so there's nothing to worry about. Professor wrote another recommendation letter for me. I know you would want me to go for it, but I'm not sure if I'm good enough. Oh, no, that's for sure. Golden yellow. Oh, dosta fi gyd. Dyla. Time waits for no. Doing some art. Let's go. Lots gwell. Amber always inspires me with her letters. How do I thank her? Oh. Oh, lavender. Is that lavender? Yeah, lavender. Got some ideas. Dear Amber. Everything's good here, as it usually is. It's starting to drizzle occasion. The leaves are almost turning yellow. By the way, thank you for the maple leaf. It has inspired me. You need the lavender there. O'r un Kent lavender oedd lliw gorau hi. Gift, the words will inspire her to. Oh, you open that. Okay. Oh, die Amper heb ik hier het licht there. Okay. Not ideal. Maar o, mi di anghofio amdano fo do. O, mi di ffindio fe'n arall New York do. O, gweithio. O, cael ffenast fan oer. Fod yn ffordd yma. Tenacity of life. Quick heart yn misgais. Sapling should be shit. Life. Hwn yn cool little Nol yn yma. Un ôl yn yma. is what I was waiting to do. There's a pizza and stuff. That's Sunday. Ja, beneden. Han blir lite bättre än mig. Ik ben bereid met dit. Ah, ik knew it. Oh no. Insanity på Clue. Het is ook zoals je in het museum met de raad in New York. De... Nu bist du för dem in New York. Jag vet, man måste föra en hel computer. Så du får ett email thing. Nej, men inte så. Which is going on. Congratulations on your selection mission. I wish I could attend, but I have other engagements that day. I'm sure it's going to be a success. Best wishes. Oh no! Boss! Jack. Fan, vi ddim gyrru hwnna. No. I'm grateful. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wie dat, ja. Oh, wat zijn hidden. Waar gaan we van? Snap. You put in the DLC. And your DLC here. View DLC. Oh, no, well, okay. Artbook. Soundtrack. Soundtrack. Okay. What? What was that DLC? Behind the frame. Jack. Okay. You went on. Library. Really mature iawn beth sy'n mynd ymlaen y fama. Dwi fod o bit arall y DLC? Behind. Flame. Soundtrack. Manage my two DLCs. Jack notes. Be dwi'n mithu yma? And new free content. New start. There. Where can I access the new DLC? If you have game updated, I've completed all chapters of the base game. Small card with the name Jack will pop up on the screen. Hit that to access the new content. Okay. I have one for you here. Continue. Save data text. Okay. Dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi gorffen. Neu ail agor rhedeg y gem. Ond dwi wedi neud. Just yn siwr. Os fi ddim bydd yn missing. Bach yn fyr. That's the case. Nes i'n joio ddo. Headphones recommended. Na, Jack. Na, hwnna David. Oce. Dwi gorffen y gêm. Nice and sweet, nice and short heddiw. Dwi'n rili eisiau chwarae'n byd arall ar stream. Eisiau bod hwnna ar deal, hwnna ar offer ar hyn o bryd. A eisiau enjoy fo. Uffernol o fyr. Uffernol o fyr, hyd oedd y fyr DLC. Ond dwi'n meddwl dwi'n oce fi na. Yn £10.29 i fod. Eisiau dal i £7.20. So, by the Better Days bundle, beth hwnda? Ie, mae'n siŵr na. Ond, ie, actually, so yn gwachio fi. Ond, sbaen diolch yn fawr. Mae'n siŵr na i streamio eto gan wsos. Wela i chi, pryd wela i chi. Ta ti bai? Bai.